Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 gamepad or controller not working. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on Power, then select Restart. This will restart your system. After restarting, check if you can play the game or check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. So for that, first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search for Device Manager. Now go below, expand human interface devices. Here select your controller. After that, right click on it, click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. So after updating your controller drivers, restart your PC once and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to enable and disable Steam input. So for that, go to the Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, then here you have to select enable Steam input. After selecting it, check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back. Here you have to select disable Steam input, and after that again check if this has resolved the problem or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if controller or gamepad is working or not. Next solution is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working, because developers often release the updates on the game that you should download and install it. So after going to Steam, here where you can see the play option, you will see an update option available if there is any update. So after updating your game, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates. If there is any update available, it will show you, and after that you have to update your Windows to the latest version and then check gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, you need to go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, and here your controller will be added. You have to first remove it by clicking on three dot icon, then remove it. After that, PC. Once done, again come back, and here you need to click on add a device and then click on here and add your controller to the PC. And after adding it, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description, or you can simply search DS4 Windows tool in Google Chrome or any of the browser. So after, to copy and paste it in your browser, website opens. Now here you need to click on download option and then go below, and from here you have to select and then download the Windows tool and then download the DS4 Windows tool. After that, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.